First, let's set up our environment. We're going to use the ADK's Python SDK, and I'll demonstrate these steps on Mac OS, Windows, and Ubuntu computers. For Mac OS, step 1 is to install Python. So first we check if it is already installed. We open a new terminal window by pressing Command space and typing terminal, and we get a terminal window like this. You can type Python 3 -- version and check if you have Python 3 installed. So I already have this installed, 3.13.4 over here. If not already installed, or if you have a much older version than 3.13, which is the latest version running right now, you can install it from python.org. So open your browser and search for Python and click on the python.org link over here. Hover over the downloads button and click on download for macOS. This will download and install Python 3.13.4. Once you click on it, you will see a .pkg file that's downloaded. I already have it installed and downloaded, so I'll just click on this file to start the installer. Once you click the file, you will see a Python installer like this. Follow the on-screen steps by clicking continue, accept the license agreement if you agree to it, and then click on install to install Python. I'm going to provide my password over here. So this is going to install Python and open the Python 3.13 folder with the different files over here. You can just head back to your terminal and close the existing terminal because that is needed to update the system path. Then open the terminal window again and type the Python version by writing Python 3 -- version. And you'll see the Python version is successfully installed over here. So now we'll install UV, which is a fast package manager for Python. The installer will use pip, which comes standard with Python installations. So you open your terminal and install UV using pip. Type the following command, pip3 install UV, and press enter. For me, it's already installed, so it says requirement is already satisfied. Once you have installed it, restart your terminal and verify the installation by typing UV -- version. And you see that UV 0.6.5 is installed over here. For you, it might be some other version number, but you'll see a verification like this. So that's it. You have successfully installed UV and we are ready to use it to manage your Python projects with incredible speed. Now let's install VS Code. So go back to your browser and visit code.visualstudio.com. Once on this website, click on this prominent blue button for download for macOS. Once you click this, it is going to download the stable build, which will be a zip file that's downloaded to your downloads folder. Once the download completes, you can go to your downloads folder and click on the zip file that was downloaded. This is going to unarchive it and give you the Visual Studio Code app. You can just drag this app into your applications folder. This will transfer it to your applications and make it available throughout your system. For me, it's already there, so I'm going to click on stop. Now you can open your applications folder and scroll down to the VS Code app. Double click to launch it. And this is a VS Code app right over here. You can also install a Python extension for best experience. Just go to the extensions icon over here and search for Python. You'll see an extension from Microsoft. Click on that and you'll see that it has a lot of downloads, around 172 million as of now. And click on the install button over here to install it. I already have it installed and this helps in Python debugging, linting, etc. So with this, we are now all set to start coding with Visual Studio Code on our macOS machine. Now let's head back to the terminal and install Git. So on the terminal app, type the following command, git -- version. If Git is already installed, you'll see a version number like this. If Git is not already installed, a pop-up should appear asking to install command line developer tools. This is the Mac OS built-in prompt and which is the easiest way to install Git. Click on install and follow the on-screen instructions, and once done, you can verify again by typing git -- version. Just remember to close your terminal window and open a new one just in case the system path has not been refreshed. Once you do that, you should see a Git version number like this, verifying that the installation was successful. So that completes all the steps that we need to follow on Mac OS for setting it up for building our first agent.